You have seen projects in ChatGPT and then Chat, but Claude just introduced projects in Cowork. These were not their earlier versions, but now in new versions they just introduced the project. It's really helpful if you have projects for like you have 5 clients or 10 clients and you have your own company information. You just create a project, right? Project mean you add all the instructions, you add all the file. Like let me create a project from here, and I want to create a project for let's say Docker Creative, right? So these are the let me add the files: lead SaaS, ideas, documents. So we have document and workflows, right? Brand side workflows we have, and I edit this one. Let me add all these details. So the Claude have all these details about my company, right? And you can add any other files like cloud.md file I have added, the vercel.json file I have added, the agency hub I have added, and I will give it like Docker Creative, right? And I just add, this is optional, these instructions are optional because we have added all the data to the Claude. You can just add AI assistant for Docker Creative company, right? So I have created, and I can add more files over time. Like I can create another file inside it about the pitch deck, about the proposals, about everything, and then I'm just gonna be coming to the Claude Cowork, and it will, every time you come to the project, and it will just hey, what you have in this project. So we are just checking. You can see the folders. It's they are working inside the folders. Hey, these folders. So I've added folders. In each folder they have a lot of files. Like brand, you have add canonical pages. You can see add canonical pages. It has 25 standard operating procedures, SOPs, like the SOPs, right? So I'm just telling it what SOPs we have. So if you create a project inside Cowork, it's very powerful. Like if you are not technical guy or technical person, so this is the answer for when should you use Claude Cowork and Claude Code. If you are not too much technical, then Cowork is your perfect place, perfect choice. If you want to be something like a technical guy, then yeah, Claude Code is better because you have lot of control inside Claude Code. But in Claude Cowork, you can only utilize Claude's official tools, Claude's official scripts, not invent your own scripts. Like you can't use Python scripts if you wanna use custom Python scripts, or you wanna add something on top of all the tools that Claude have, right? But this is how the projects work, right? You have all the data, and this will work every time. You just come to the projects. Like you come to the projects, you click on this project, and you have Docker Creative project, right? And you can later on, if you have like more knowledge base, this is the knowledge base I have given, right? If you don't have much data about your project, then don't expect that Claude can do better
for you,
right? So
how many projects do you have? Like because so the way I set up like 2 companies.
Yes,
like the
for every client you can create a project. And I like Cowork for one main reason, and this is Cowork have their own Google Docs, like they create Google Docs, even create slide decks for you, because they have the ability to create slides. So you don't have to create those, like I have seen your the slide deck you created, I think the pitch you created. But for every new client, you don't have to go to and just edit for every new client. Claude Cowork has the ability to create slides for you, to create videos for you, to generate reports for you, everything for you, right? So let me just give it a try. Hey, generate proposal to blueroseauto.com. We wanna pitch them to offer SEO, Google Ads, and Meta Ads services. So just generate a well structured proposal. So it will look our brand side, look client portal, look everything about what I have added, and it will start thinking. We can like let it run in chat. What you will have to wait for the results, right?
Mhm.
But here I'm not gonna wait for the result, right? It's gonna be running in the background, and I'm gonna start something else.
And every time you command it, it uses tokens, right?
Inside, it will use tokens, yeah, for your max. So you have max. This like I want to have the PDF format, like leave pricing. This thing include example pricing, include specific pricing. So let me add the example pricing. Exciting existing client, I know them. Core prospect, this is warm lead. Let's say this is warm lead. So it asks me questions, and now I want to start something else, and it will be working in the background. So this is a very useful thing. Like in chat, what you have to do, you were doing like waiting for the chat to complete, right? And then you are able to add a new prompt or new instructions. So you would have to wait for the result first. But here I'm not gonna be waiting for the result, because I'm just keep it running, and let's say I'm creating a new proposal for any other other business. So you can start creating business and other stuff. Now, can you generate slides for pitch deck for our company and our brand colors? So yeah, it will start working. So I can expect that, hey, it will generate. So it's using their own PDF skills. Claude have their own PDF skill, right? And that's the reason I like to use Cowork for something like this, because you can utilize their PDF skills directly without going and installing them. So Claude knows very well whether I need to use my PDF skill or my PowerPoint skill or my Excel skill. So this is how the projects work. And it's using, like you can see that here it's using PowerPoint skills, right? So Claude have their own PowerPoint skills, so you don't have to go and create PowerPoints manually or for any other tools. Claude can do better, I think, can do better in Excel sheet or any other thing. Like let me create another project. Hey, I want to create a pricing structure for our company and want to store an sheet. So let's go and create a sheet with example pricing that top companies do. I will update them later and use our brand colors. So at the same time, I'm running 3 tasks, right? So I'm working on something else in one, working on another thing in this chat, and then at the same time I can create other things. Like this is another very handy thing. Like if you want to run it every 8 a.m. and let's say it does work for you, like outreaching. Like you can see daily email outreach, right? And you add the description, you add the Google Calendar. So you can use my Gmail to send daily audit reports to my clients. And you will have, let's say you have clients in this folder. So selected the folder where I have clients, and I want you to share the daily reports to all of my clients. And you can do one other thing using the schedule. One of my cowork where I've done something like it was doing every week the prospect research, and it was using the Google Places API for me, and then creating a date for every business and then sending them directly from Cowork. So yeah, you can use it like daily email, daily reports, sender.
I have mine attached to my work email, and I told it to say or draft me to all of my messages.
Yes.
And then it does it at 8 o'clock in the morning, or like
yes.
Already has.
That's how it works. So look at this is the sheet, right? So you don't have to create sheets manually, and it's using our colors properly, right? This is this is the sheet I created. Like, hey, create a sheet for us where we can have our services and list all those pricing. So you can see how accurately it does their job. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
This is the sheet. This is the sheet, right? So you have this sheet like show in folder, and it's directly saving inside my my folder as well, right?